One of the most frequent questions we have had from architects when they're loading the information from a specialist is when they get a new model and they load information, where have the data been removed or changed? Here we can use Naviate Accelerate to figure out where the data or requirement have changed or been removed completely, or added for that matter. In Naviate Accelerate, we can go into what's called combine parameters. Here we can grab the parameters and copy them to what I like to call old fire rec. I will go here and in the dialog box, I will select doors and fire rec fire rating doors. Takes a second or two to load the project. But once we're here, we can scroll down to doors. Let it be on instance because all the requirements are on instance. I can find my fire rating door, copy that value to O or old fire rec, and I can run the combine. I can save this session for later to run a batch of different values that I want to copy. So do this in your project so you can easily run all the different before loading new data. So you will run the combined values. You will copy all the values for all the doors. You can deselect the door and walls. I can even go down here to fire rec fire rating wall, find the old parameter again. I can remove the openings for opening requirements and go for walls. Once that's done, I'm going to go for windows. So going through the entire model, copying the value, and I can go down to window and deselect walls. Fire rec fire rating window, and I'll remove this one as well. Let it be on all parameters. And then last but not least, copy. Remember to save these settings so you can use them again. If I now scroll down and select one of the walls that do not have a value, we can go down to fire protection. You can see attach a dash, and as well here, all value dash. If I select the door, it will have old value here and the actual value up here as well. Before loading, we can just go into add-ins and import from link again and load information from the specialist model again. So select this and go to import. It will load information into my model. It's going to take a second or two to update all the different requirements. And the question is always, where has it changed?